Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be making this amazing DIY hair growth shampoo that will help you to nourish your scalp and also help you to grow out your hair. If this is what you're interested in, please keep on watching. So guys, the first ingredient to be using is this black soap, and this one is called Dudu Oshu. Okay, so Dudu Oshu helps to promote hair growth. Then the next one we're going to be using is flaxseed. You all know that flaxseed have amazing benefits for hair growth. And the next one we're using is coffee. Coffee as well have amazing benefits for hair growth, and it helps to stop hair loss. Okay, so I'll be using my DIY hair growth oil. If you have any oil, you can use that. Then I'll also be adding some essential oil. I'm using tea tree oil, I'm using this particular oil, I'm using rosemary oil, and I'm using lavender oil. So all this essential oil is the oil I'll be using for this recipe. As I said earlier on, we are going to do an amazing hair growth shampoo that will help you to moisturize your hair and in the process help you to grow out your hair as well. So we need a clean jar just like this. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of coffee, then I'll add my hot water, okay, to melt the coffee. And this jar I later found out the jar is a bit small, so please use a bigger jar. All right, so then I'll be adding my black soap. You can use the Ghanaian black soap as well. I could not get my hand on that. That's why I'm using the dual show, and I've been using the dual show since I started my natural hair journey, and it's really working for my hair. So I'm going to be adding these 2 ingredients together, like the black soap and the coffee, for it to melt together. This is the next step, which is making our flaxseed gel. Okay, so I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. Okay, then I will keep on turning this to get out the gel. So guys, right now our flaxseed gel is ready. As you can see, the gel is out. Then I will pour this in a plate just like this. Then I remember our mixture, the soap and the coffee will mix everything together. All right, so I'll mix everything to make sure that the flaxseed gel is being mixed together with the coffee and the soap. So now this is what we have, and I'm just going to transfer it in a bottle just like this, just to strain out the seed of the flaxseed. So loves, our shampoo is almost ready, and right now it's time for me to add our oils. I'm using 1 teaspoon of my oil, my DIY hair growth oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'll also be adding few drops of all the essential oils I listed as well. So the benefit of this hair growth shampoo is going to help you to moisturize your scalp. If you're suffering from dandruff, it's going to help you to reduce the dandruff, and if you keep on using this, you'll notice that your dandruff will be gone. Okay, so this helps to hydrate your scalp as well, and with all the natural ingredients I'm using, which is good for hair growth, which is good for alopecia, which is good for hair loss. If you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, this is gonna help you out. You know, when we shampoo our hair, we remove all the dead cells and the rest from our scalp, and our hair grow from the scalp and grow afterwards. So my shampoo is ready. I'm just going to give this a mix, and this is what we have, love. So I'm going to transfer this in my shampoo container where I put my shampoo to apply it on my hair. So guys, this is the quantity of what I have. You can add preservative to yours, but me, I don't add preservative to mine, and this lasts me. Okay, so this is me trying to show you people the shampoo and how I use it on my hair. Right now I braided my hair and it's kind of like my wash day, but I don't want to lose this hair, so I'm going to be washing my hair with the braids, and it also helps me to limit hair fall if I wash my hair with my braids. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be washing my hair. As you can see guys, this is so amazing, and this the smell, it smells so nice. Like it smells so nice, love. So and I'm just going to be washing my hair. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching to this extent. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, please, loves, comment and share. All right, let me know in the comment section, will you be trying this DIY shampoo? Like guys, this is so slippery to your scalp. Like I am so in love with this, love. So and I'll see you. So guys, this is my hair after the wash. Like I am loving this so much. So much. So that's, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, I just finished my shower and I washed my hair as well. So just to show you guys how the condition feels, like this condition, sorry, shampoo, I'm saying condition, how the shampoo feels. This shampoo is so slippery, like it's so slippery on your scalp, and it leaves your scalp feeling nourished and soft. And yeah, so thank you all so much for the subscription. I do really appreciate. Don't forget that your natural hair makes you beautiful. Okay, love yourself and love your natural hair, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye loves.